Okay, so I hope you watched last week's review and you would have seen what I suggested, and I believe even if you managed to watch the other extra videos of trade setups, you would see that what I said is what you could have taken advantage of, and it played out. So anyway, let's have a look at Aussie USD for the past week. This is H1. This is my market maker template. So basically, as I explained to you from last week, that this Australian US dollar is still in a downward trend, right? And I said there's no reason for us to think that anything else is going to happen up until something does happen. So as you can see, this, which was appearing to be resistance on Friday, as I said to you, this is still a downward trend. Nothing has changed. Keep following the trend line, because if we see, if I put this on H4, right, you can see that we are still pretty much in a downward trend line. Okay, so Monday, as you can see, it just held the same level as from Friday. Let me just do this here. Okay, so Friday, Monday, there was a close range here on Aussie USD, as you can see, just a 40-pip range, and then Tuesday it kind of like slipped away, and Wednesday fell off that, which was posing as a resistance, which actually, which was posing as a support, which actually was not anything really. Okay, so if you sign up, guys, you get the extra content here, where I'm now going to go into this video and I'm going to show you the trades that you could have taken on this pair. Okay, so you can just check the link in the video below and sign up with the recommended broker. If the offer is still running, you'll be able to get to watch the exclusive video where I show you the setups, which I'm going to do that now. All right, okay, so traders who are getting the VIP content now, let me show you. Right, guys, as I said, this is a downward trend in the market maker cycle, and Aussie USD has been resetting, going downwards. Okay, so let's have a look at M15 and see the trades that you could have taken.